Welcome to the world of Korean inspired skincare that contributes to achieving glass skin right from the comfort of your home. With cooked rice being the most powerful, along with a touch of nature's goodness of aloe vera gel, curd, and more, followed by an exciting concept of icy treatment. So, I am inviting you to delve into this world of home based natural skincare treatments that are both effective and nourishing. Let's start our journey with cinnamon. Now, you might be thinking, cinnamon in skincare? Oh, yes. This humble spice isn't just for your morning latte. It's a powerhouse when it comes to achieving that flawless, radiant complexion. In the world of Korean beauty, where innovation meets tradition, cinnamon is a hidden gem. Its natural properties work wonders on your skin. It stimulates blood circulation to give you that healthy glow. But that's not all. Cinnamon is also packed with antimicrobial goodness, fighting pesky acne and blemishes like a true skincare superhero. When it comes to locking in hydration for that desired Korean glass skin, what better ingredient than honey? Let's talk about a crucial ingredient that's at the heart of the Korean glass skin phenomenon. In the world of Korean skincare, rice isn't just a staple food item. It's a skincare powerhouse that has been cherished for centuries. Let's see how to use it. Start by washing it with cold water. To unleash its full skincare potential, we have to start by cleaning it like a pro. Swirl it around, then rinse off the cloudy water. Repeat until the water runs clear, ensuring you get rid of any impurities clinging to the grains. Just make sure it's sparkling clean. To cook rice, you have got options. Whether you prefer the ease of a pressure cooker or the charm of an open vessel, the choice is yours. Either way, you will be whipping up a skincare treat that will have your skin glowing in no time. If going the traditional route with an open vessel, put the water to boil first, then add in your cleaned rice. For perfectly cooked rice, use a ratio of 1 part rice to 2 parts water. Ah, that foamy texture, it's a sign that everything is going just right and that your rice is on a way to becoming perfectly cooked. It's time to blend it into a smooth paste for your skincare recipe. Blend it on high speed until you achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. Your rice paste is ready to get you a glass skin. Before going any further, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Coming back to our topic, next up is curd. Opt for fresh and plain curd. Make sure it's not flavored or sweetened. We want this ingredient for increasing softness in our skin. Then we have the golden gem of skincare. Yes, it's turmeric. Adding aloe vera gel to this skin concoction becomes even more potent. Get ready to experience the hydrating, soothing, and rejuvenating benefits of this rock star ingredient. With all the key ingredients collected, you are ready to create your own Korean glass skin recipe with a twist. You are not only harnessing the traditional secrets of Korean skincare, but also adding your own unique twist for extra nourishment and hydration. Come, let's explore how to make this potion. Add 1 tablespoon of curd, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoon cooked rice paste, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, followed by pinch to half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix it well. Then add 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Incorporating gram flour into your Korean glass skin recipe adds an extra layer of skincare benefits, helping to exfoliate, brighten, and balance your complexion. For the application part, please make sure your skin is clean. Ensure that you apply an even layer of the mixture for consistent results. This pack suits every skin type. However, patch test is always recommended. You can use this pack thrice a week to get the best results. Allow it to rest on your skin for 15 minutes. Once the pack is completely dried, giving your skin a light massage can further enhance the benefits of the skincare treatment. Use your fingertips to gently massage your skin in circular motions. You can also use a cotton ball for the same. Do this for 3 to 4 minutes. Then wash it off using cold water. Now, are you ready to bring on the icy twist to elevate your Korean glass skin experience even further? Let's start with this. Gently rub them over your face in circular motions. The icy twist provides an instant cooling sensation that helps to refresh and revitalize tired, dull skin. It also helps to awaken your complexion and give you a radiant, glowing appearance. Do this for 4 minutes. And then you are done. Just have a look on this texture. I invite you to give it a go on your own face and witness the difference for yourself, just as I have. And I'm thrilled to hear that you have experienced positive results with this skincare technique. Thanks for joining me in your very own channel, Organic Glam. Until we meet next time, take good care of yourself and stay radiant. Hey everyone! check it out. Today we are all about just 2 ingredients to make our skin healthy and glowing with a noticeable change in just 5 days. This skin elixir is crafted through infusion and double boiling method. I am going to guide you through this step by step. So please relax and enjoy the journey. Before proceeding, guys, may I kindly request a moment of your time to share an important insight about these ingredients? Since ancient times, these components have been determined to remedy various skin challenges, and when these two things are mixed, they become a superpower that could treat almost any skin issues. Now let's jump on our first component. Castor oil. It's rich in fatty acids which can help moisturize the skin deeply. This oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling associated with acne. It also helps to fight free radicals and prevent premature aging of the skin. Some people believe that applying castor oil to scars regularly can help reduce their appearance over time, although scientific evidence for this is limited. Let's talk about what is proven, guys. I have used this elixir for my face to 5 days and I have seen some changes in my skin which I will share later in this video. Now coming back on castor oil, we will infuse the other ingredient in this oil. The process is very simple and I'm sure you're going to love it. I must tell you all, I have chosen castor oil over other oils because when we are considering the best for our skin, castor scores highest. This oil is magical, guys. You know it when you test it. Next and last ingredient, turmeric, known for its various properties, be it skin brightening to providing us a healthy and glowing skin. It's all possible due to the presence of an active compound in it, curcumin. By this, we are ready with the constituents of making our elixir. Now we need one more thing. Empty tea bag. Today in almost every kitchen we have green tea. Just cut the tea bag and use it empty. Oh, tea bag, where are you going? We need you. Please come back. Thank you. Friends, you can also use any cotton cloth or very fine fabric that will act as a filter. Stuff the bag with 4 teaspoons of turmeric and tie it up using a thread. This preparation is for the infusion method. Our turmeric bag is ready now. For this method, dip the turmeric bag in approx 10 tablespoons of castor oil. Dip 2 to 3 times in it. Then allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Now with some pressure, squeeze the turmeric bag and collect the infused turmeric and oil. Now mix it well. You can use a dropper also. Starting with double boiling method now. Put the boiling hot water. After this, place the infused concoction along with the turmeric bag in it. For 1 to 2 minutes, let it be there. Then again add water, put it to boil and place the arrangement in it. For 2 minutes again, let it double boil. Once the 2 minutes are over, remove it from the flame and mix it well. Golden elixir for our skin is good to serve. Now just transfer the mixture into a container. You can keep it at room temperature and there is no need to refrigerate it. Since it's an oil, so the shelf life is very good. Please apply evenly on a clean and moisturized face only. Otherwise, you will face difficulties in application due to its viscosity. Leave it for 30 minutes, then wash with mild face wash and do the toning immediately. Friends, I have consistently applied this golden concoction to my face for 5 days straight. I was thrilled to witness noticeable results. By the 5th day, my skin exhibited a subtle glow and pigmentation began to fade. Overall, I observed an enhanced skin texture and a healthier complexion. Please remember to do a patch test. With this, we now come to an end of this video. Please like, share, subscribe and drop a comment below to stay connected. Thank you so much friends for joining me. Until we meet next time, stay radiant.